Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this fast food truck. This is a pop-up tent, and my kids have had a blast. I'm going to show you it in action.
So here, my kids are in action playing with this awesome tent. This is the only part that actually requires you doing something, and you just put this stick straight through, and it makes this whole tent more sturdy. It velcros together. Just a cute, there's three sections to it. The front area, which you see my daughter's in the middle, and at the end, they can just step out. This is also a window that you can open up to step out of. So I like that there's multiple ways of entry and exit with this tent. You're looking at some of the cute design on the outside. And here is the flap. When you open this up, you can open it closed or open. This is my kids showing you how it's done. And this has just been a good quality tent. It's been really simple fun for the kids. And I like bringing it even to a friend's house because it doesn't take up too much space. The top of this tent opens up, and here you can see my kids playing away and enjoying themselves. I can't say enough good stuff of this. They do have a download with a menu and some money, which my kids had even more fun playing with. So I highly recommend this. This has been the best toy for my kids, and I'm so happy I got it. And just to mention, assembly of this is so simple.
And that's just my point of view.